That's really good. The smell isn't my smell. The next item I am so intrigued with. Okay. I'm obsessed. I definitely will use it 100%. I hope you guys are doing well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys saw my Fresh and Flowers box unboxing from last month, then you will know that Lush ever so kindly sent me that box, and they also said they would send me basically the next 3 boxes. So we have 3 in total to unbox. This one is obviously box number 2, and I am so excited. If you guys don't know much about the Fresh and Flowers boxes, essentially they get delivered once a month and they contain beautiful, fresh kind of products that were literally made like a couple days ago before they got delivered. Like, they are so fresh, so just beautiful and incredible, and I absolutely love this box so much. I did actually subscribe to this box ages ago, and I was kind of finding that with that box and the kitchen, I was getting so many products that obviously it's not a bad thing, but I was wasting quite a lot, so I had to get rid of one. But I am so excited to dive in. Obviously this video is not sponsored. Every single opinion and thought that leaves my mouth today is my own. However, Lush did send me this box and I am just so incredibly grateful. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So as always, the box has come and it has my name on the sticker, which I think is just such a lovely touch and it just makes it feel so special. So let's open it up together and see what we have inside. I'm already gonna love it. I'm already going to love this. Okay, so the first thing we have is November moon phases. So this has all the moon phases for the month of November, which I will show you guys, of course. Feel free to pause and have a little read. And it basically has a little description on the back, which is so interesting. I think all of these little touches that Lush do just makes it amazing. So that is the first thing we have. And on here it says moon bathing and fresh flowers box. Wait, no, it doesn't say that at all. It says moon bathing, Fresh and Flowers box, and we have got all the products on the... Okay, I'm obsessed already. This is so cool. Okay, so we have got a bunch of great things in here, so let's go through them together. I'm already so excited because I see a shampoo bar in there, and if you guys have followed me for a long period of time, you will know that me and a shampoo bar, best friends. I love a shampoo bar. So let's dive into the products and see what we have inside. Okay, besties, so the first thing we have is this incredible bouquet of flowers. This is actually a facial toner, and it says on this one, Selene is the goddess of the moon in ancient Greek mythology, riding her moon chariot across the sky. Fill a bowl with hot water, preferably moon water, and pop in your Garni, I think that's how you pronounce it. Place your face over the bowl and pop a towel over the back of your head to gently steam your face. Once cool, use the leftover water to wash off your Lunar Eclipse fresh face mask. Spoiler alert, we'll go through that one next. Or keep it in the fridge and use it as a toner within the week. And this one is basically sage, lavender, white rose, and chrysanthemum flowers, which is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love that idea. And to be honest with you, this is just such a fun touch, because you used to get flowers in the Fresh and Flowers boxes, but I didn't think back then you would use them as anything other than like a little bouquet of flowers. I love that you can use this as a toner, so I'm really excited about that one. The next item we have is of course the fresh face mask. This one is usually my most favourite item within the box. I love a face mask from Lush. They are so good. This is the Lunar Eclipse face mask. This packaging is beautiful, by the way. I will show you guys in a second, but on the front it says, we've used soothing watercress, hydrating water chestnut, and calming lotus root with charged moon water and oats for stellar skin. This looks beautiful. I love the packaging. I love the label. It's just really giving moon. And I love that. And in terms of ingredients in this one, we have got kaolin, glycerin, oat gel. We've also got oat straw powder. We have chestnut. We have, water chestnut. We have watercress. We have lotus root. We have sandalwood oil. Loads of really good things. I'm just going to open it up and we're going to have to give it a smell together. It's giving garden. It's giving moss. Both of which I'm not a big fan of, but I will definitely give it a smell. So this is what it looks like, and let's smell it together. Okay, I'm gonna be real. The smell isn't my smell. It's a very savoury smell, if that makes any sense. It smells a little bit woodsy, a little bit savoury, a little bit not my kind of vibe, but it's more about what it does for my skin. I definitely will use it 100%. So that is the face mask in this box, and I'm really looking forward to trying that. The next item we have is probably going to be my most favourite of the box, and that is of course the shampoo bar. This is the Man on the Moon shampoo bar, and ingredients wise in this one we have got things like cocoa butter, bergamot oil, jasmine absolute, osmanthus flower, we've got elemi oil, we have also got olive oil, coconut oil, japonica oil, I don't know what, I think I might be pronouncing that wrong, not gonna lie, macadamia nut oil, we've got capucci butter. That smells so freaking good. What is that? Oh my goodness. That smells heavenly. I can't even describe it. It's making my mouth water. Like, it's a very sour, fruity smell. That is so delicious. I cannot wait to use that. As I've said, I'm a massive, massive shampoo bar person, and I'm really looking forward to trying this one. The next item we have is the Jasmine Bath Bomb. This is not a new product. We actually did have this. I think it was for Mother's Day a few years ago now, and we have had it a few times since, and I do really, really love this one. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like rice starch, we have got jasmine absolute, ylang ylang oil, and tapioca pearl. Oh, it's so good. It's a very gentle, kind of like, I don't want to say talc smell, but it's a very dusty, not dusty, that is the wrong word, like powdery smell. It's really beautiful. If you like a very subtle, kind of gentle fragrance, you will absolutely love this one. And I don't think there's any colour or anything on the inside, if I can remember correctly, so it is very gentle, very subtle. Oh, and it just smells so good. It's definitely floral, but it's not like garden smell floral. It's just a very nice powdery floral smell. That is so good though. I love that. The next item I am so intrigued with. This is the Moonflower Hair and Body Wash, and it says squish over your hair and body in the shower or bath to soften and add shine to your hair. Afterwards, use the magnesium infused cocoa butter disc to moisturize your body, then rinse. This is so intriguing. It looks like a moon. How fun and unique is that? I am so excited to try it. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got butterfly pea, oh my gosh, I can't say it, butterfly pea in flower infusion, I think that's what it says. Hang on, let me start that again. Butterfly pea, I cannot say it, butterfly pea and nope, last time, butterfly pea flower and fresh rosemary infused in almond milk. That's so intriguing to me. We've also got cocoa butter, we've got witch hazel extract, we have got shea butter, jasmine absolute, jojoba oil, we have got spirulina powder. I'm very intrigued with this one. I don't know what to expect. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to go everywhere, but this looks so intriguing, and I absolutely love a Lush hair care item, so I will 100% be using that one for sure. And last but definitely not least, we have the Moon Phases soap roll. This is so intriguing, and I feel like I haven't had a soap roll from Lush in absolutely ages. So this one says, made with moon water, carefully collected by our soap team who made certain they did it correctly. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got oat flour, we've got lemon juice, cherry juice, soya milk, lavender oil. I'm very intrigued with this, and we're gonna have to open it up and give it a smell. I really liked these when I used them before. I found them very moisturizing. I just found they did kind of break apart a little bit, but let's give it a smell. Ooh, that's really good. You can definitely smell the lavender. It's a very gentle smell. Again, it's not overpowering. It's very soft and very subtle, but I do love the way that this goes from blue to purple. I absolutely love the look of it. It's so fun, and again, I have used it before and I did really enjoy them, so I'm very excited about that. And that is everything. So that is everything for the Lush Fresh and Flowers box for the month of November. I do just want to say again, thank you so incredibly much to the team at Lush for sending me this box. I'm so grateful and forever thankful, and I'm just very excited to try all of these products. But also, please let me know down below, have you subscribed to this box? Have you ever had this box? I would love to know your thoughts and opinions. And also, if you guys didn't know already, I do have a Lush affiliate link, which is always down below. If you guys ever want to buy anything from Lush, I would really appreciate it if you did use my link. And to be completely transparent, I do get a very small commission when you do use my link, but if you do use it, every time you order over £15 worth of items, if you are from the UK, you will receive a 115g bottle of Snow Fairy shower gel, which is a win-win, I think, for everybody. So if you ever want to use my link, I would really appreciate it, and it is down below. But that is everything. I love you guys so incredibly much. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.